my name is Siti Alivia Marta, and here I will tell you about my family tree. This short story was to fulfill the text of the third week of online lectures in the conversation course National University. Happy listening! I come from a big family. There are 7 people in my family. My family members are my mother, father, 2 siblings, me, brother-in-law, and nephew. My mother was named Mardia and my father was named Fajar Marta. I have 2 siblings, namely Dia Walia Zahra and Ajuri Mariska Marta. My first sister, Dia Walia Zahra, is married, so I have 1 brother-in-law, namely Reza Saktipan. They have 1 son, namely Arkas Al-Fatih. Yes, he is my nephew. Not only that, I have a grandmother and grandfather, namely Indun and Imin, from my mother parents. My grandparents had 6 children. The first child of my grandparents was Amina. She is my auntie. She is married to Budiman. He is my uncle. They have 2 sons, namely Asef and Sharif. They are my cousins. Her second child, namely Sharif, is married to Erna. She is my cousin. They already have 1 daughter, namely Kansa, and 1 son, namely Akram. They are my niece and my nephew. Then, the second child of my grandparents was Amir. He is my uncle. He is married to Ami. She is my auntie. They have 1 daughter, namely Siti Aisyah, and 2 sons, namely Sobari and Iswandi. They are my cousins. His first child, namely Siti Aisyah, is married to Yono. He is my cousin. They have 1 daughter, namely Rapila, and 1 son, namely Vino. They are my niece and my nephew. His second child, namely Sobari, is also married to Lia. She is my cousin. They have 1 daughter, namely Jinan, and 1 son, namely Sowab. They are my niece and my nephew. Then, the third child of my grandparents was Ahmad. He is my uncle. He is married to Wiwin. She is my auntie. They have 1 son, namely Junaidi, and 3 daughters, namely Anissa, Shita, and Tria. They are my cousins. His son, namely Junaidi, is married to Dina. She is my cousin. His 2 daughters have been married, namely Anissa with Aris and Sita with Romi. They are my cousins. The fourth child of my grandparents was my mother. Yes, my mother was the fourth of 6 children of her parents. And the fifth child of my grandparents was Mariadi. He is my uncle. He is married to Novi. She is my auntie. They had 4 sons, namely Syaban, Syawal, Hisham, and Hafiz. They are my cousins. Last, the 6th child of my grandparents was Mariani. She is my auntie. She is married to Purwanto. He is my uncle. They have 1 son, namely Iqbal, and 1 daughter, namely Putri. They are my cousins. Not only that, here I will tell you a little about my immediate family. First, my mother. She is tall and thin. She wears a veil and looks very beautiful. She was very kind and always there for me and my 2 older siblings. She is a housewife and she is a great cook. Then my father. He is tall, thin, and has black hair and a little white. He is a private employee. He was a hard worker to my mother, me, and my 2 older siblings. He was a peasant person, didn't talk too much, but always tried to give everything we needed, and we love him very much. Speaking of my siblings, I have 2 older siblings. First is Dia. She is tall, has white skin, and wears a veil. She was married and chose to become a housewife. Reza Saktipan is my brother-in-law. He is tall, has dark skin, and has black hair. He is employed at one of the companies. They have 1 son, namely Arkas. Now he is 2 years old. He is very cute, has white skin, big eyes, and black hair. He is very good at talking and loves to interact. He is so adorable. Then my second sibling is Adjuri. She was tall and wears a veil. She is a private employee at one of the Japanese companies and she is not married. A lot of people say we are very similar. She is 23 years old, 3 years older than me. We are very familiar and often spend time together like going to one of the shopping centers. I think it's all about my family tree. Sorry if there was a mistake and thank you for your attention. Nice to meet you. Bye!